This is water and this is also water. One costs 20 rupees and the other one more than 50 lakh. And honestly, when I first found this, I had only one thought in my mind. Should I drink this or keep it in a locker? But as people actually buy it, and once I started digging deeper, I realized something. This is not really about the water. It's about luxury, branding, and how humans decide what feels valuable. Because somehow people manage to turn one of the most basic things on earth into a luxury product. Let's be honest, for most of us, water is simple. When you are thirsty, you drink it and move on. The only luxury we ask is, बस ठंडा होना चाहिए, bye. But luxury brands saw an opportunity. Think about it, people spend crazy amounts on watches, handbags, and even coffee. So, someone probably thought, water also deserves the luxury upgrade. Meet the most expensive water bottle in the world, Mr. Acqua di Cristallo Tributo Modigliani. Very expensive water bottle, very difficult name also. I practice saying this name more than I expected. This bottle is reportedly sold for $60,000. That's over 50 lakh. Now, naturally, the question is, what makes this water bottle so expensive? The first thing, this water comes from places like Fiji, France, and Icelandic glaciers. Sounds premium already, but here is the real luxury part. The bottle itself is made using 24 karat gold. Some oceans even have edible gold flakes, which honestly feels like the bottle saying, tap water? We don't talk to each other. But here is what fascinated me. Nobody is paying 50 lakh, just the water feels magically different. They are paying for rarity, design, and exclusivity. Now, meet Mr. Beverly Hills 90H2O. Imagine buying this water bottle and it feels exactly something inside the jewelry showroom. It comes with luxury presentation and crystal-like detailing. You know that feeling when you buy something expensive and you suddenly become extra careful, like, should I drink this or just admire this? This is Filico Jewelry Water. This bottle literally looks like a crown. Decorative crystals, luxury styling, and royal design. Honestly, if someone kept this on a table, I would probably assume it's a perfume. Now, not every expensive water brand sells luxury. They even focus on health and purity also. For example, Kona Nigari. It comes from deep ocean water near Hawaii. Then there are glacier water brands that market themselves as untouched, ancient, and incredibly pure. Some companies even collect water from Arctic icebergs, and suddenly your regular water bottle feels very ordinary. So, why do people buy luxury water? The first one is obviously status. Second one is scarcity because humans naturally value rare things. Third one is storytelling. This is powerful. If one bottle says drinking water and the other one says collected from untouched glaciers, which one would you pick? Obviously, second one because water is the most basic thing on earth. Yet companies found a way to sell it as luxury. It's about branding and positioning. Anyway, I want to know something. What is the maximum amount you would pay for a bottle of water? Let's be honest. Comment below. See you in the next video.